depends on couple to couple whether 6 years are enough, not enough. It depends on person to person. So for me, I feel it was pretty much enough. I used to stay with him, for 1 or 2 days, maybe in the picnics or outings that we had. So I got to know him actually, how he was, how his the likes, dislikes, as a person, how he is. He was kind enough. He was very honest about his relationships and our relationship. So I was very happy, I could get those 6 years.
Wow.
So, yeah.
Everybody gets those 6 years. People sometimes only get 6 minutes sometimes.
Yes.
So I think you really, touch the core of everything, that it's really important to get to know each other. And that probably helps out the couple. What about you? What would you say, Nikhil?
Yeah, I completely agree to what Arohi said. For me, those 6 years were not about those relationship. It was more of that friendship what we had, or that bonding what we had. That actually cleared my mind that, okay, this is the girl I want to have my rest of the life with. So that is very clear. If you bond together, if you have those courtship years before marriage, that definitely helps you.
Wonderful. Over to Guinea.
Oh my, now I know all that interesting and secretive points. Okay, tell us, Arohi, first to you, what was the best part of dating? Were you both in Mumbai? I mean, I probably, we missed. Okay, so what was the best part of your dating? I'm sure each and every day would have been a memory. So what is the best part?
The love that we shared, we still remember, we still cherish it. Plus the gifts we used to get, each other, the hugs, the kisses, the everything. I mean, these little things were so good that you can cherish it throughout your life, which I'm very lucky. I got that time, in the courtship. So very, very nice. And I'm thankful to him that, he proposed me. So that's how it is.
That's sweet. That's sweet. Now, Nikhil, what was your best part?
So she would definitely like the gifts. For me, it was she accepting those gifts because whatever gift I could give at that time, she always loved that. So that was the best part, whether it is a small gift or a big gift, that didn't matter to her that time also and now also. So that was some good moments of our courtship. And definitely the long rides, and the basic thing was she always was like a friend. She always used to help me in wherever I was stuck somewhere. And those 6 years were more memorable than the last 12 years, I would say. I mean, we have done all the craziest things what we could do, long rides, and I mean, brilliant, and lot of things to cherish.
These are the lovely memories, which we all remember.
Yes.
Absolutely.
That's so nice. Thank you so much. Shobhaji, over to you.
Thank you, Guinea. Thank you, Nikhil and Arohi. Arohi, you just said that Nikhil used to give you lot of big gifts. आप थोड़ा ये बताइए कि वो big gifts मम्मा पापा से छुपा के कहाँ छुपाते थे और रिएक्शन क्या होता था?
Yes, we want to know that too.
जब चोरी पकड़ी जाती थी तब रिएक्शन क्या होता था?
Okay, I hope mom doesn't listen to this and my family doesn't listen to all this. But yes, there were very embarrassing times. I had lied to my parents, and which I regret now. Maybe I see myself in the same situation now as a parent. But yes, I mean, I did lie, but it was out of love. So I'll just give you one instance.
ये सब जो चीजें है ना, ये जवानी में सभी लोग करते हैं यार. No one is excused from this,
Yes.
Everybody plays
That's
that
the best
prank.
part.
Yeah,
I'm sure they
is...
must be knowing all this. When you're telling now, they'll say, oh yeah, we knew about it.
हाँ, बहुत पंगे करते हैं जवानी में, जो बाद में realize होता है कि नहीं करना चाहिए होता है. So anyway,
you should do it. You should do it.
Absolutely,
Yeah,
you should do it.
Otherwise, how will I tell you my stories then? The stories left with you.
वो by default ही सबके life में होते ही हैं, sooner or later. मतलब especially before marriage, so I think most of the people have their stories, and those are the fun parts actually.
Exactly.
So let's hear yours.
So one of the stories happened so that he, out of his first salary, gave me some gold rings. Okay. So I had to take it. I accepted it. I wore it the very next instant. But while going to home, I was in two minds whether should I remove it and keep it in my bag itself or how. So I don't know, but it didn't strike my mind that I have to actually remove it. If I don't plan to tell my parents, I'll have to remove them. But I just forgot somehow in the journey or in the in the wrong rides, long rides. So which Nikhil and I used to go. So that fine day I just forgot, and Mama noticed that there is something new and there is something flashy on the earrings. So I had to lie to her that this is in the. I was also working at that point in time, so I said this is the kitty that we friends were having, and I won, and we bought this. So this was the biggest lie of my life.
Okay.
But where are the earrings? We would want to know that also now.
I think her internet.
Nikhil, it's muted.
The earrings are still there. I mean, in her cupboard, safe. But I would just like to say something. I was
Sure.
always, very sharp. I was always thinking from a longer perspective. Well, ऐसा कुछ गिफ्ट देते हैं जो शो शाइनिंग के लिए अच्छा रहेगा. थोड़ा इयरिंग्स गोल्ड का देते थे तो उसके मम्मी डैडी भी थोड़ा खुश हो जाएंगे, थोड़ा इम्प्रेस हो जाएंगे. तो दिखाई दे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. So that was one of my move, you could say.
तो फाइनली खुश हुए कि नहीं, इम्प्रेस हुए कि नहीं?
हाँ 100% इम्प्रेस हुए.
अच्छा.
तभी नहीं हुए, थोड़े दिन के बाद हुए और
हाँ.
दो चार थोड़े गिफ्ट देने पड़े. And
अच्छा.
that is how it happened.
ओके.
देखिए आपने ना जैसे ही कहा इंटरनेट उनको लेके चला गया है.
चला गया. शायद वो वापस रिंग पहनने गई रहेगी. Maybe you never know.
वो
I
रिंग
think.
नेक्स्ट सवाल शोभा जी.
हाँ जी. Nikhil, you tell us please what are the topics? जैसे you all already had 6 years of relationship, after which you all got married and you all have had your journey. So tell us what are the topics you think that all couples need to discuss before they get married to have a long, healthy, loving and peaceful marriage?
So first, they need to be very transparent among themselves. Okay, clearly tell what they like about each other. Okay, very important. Secondly, they need to also discuss about their immediate family members, whether there is a health issue or whatever it is, and they should be very clear about their responsibilities and about their expectations from each other. Okay, because when you get married, it's not only you get married to a person, but the entire family. So very important that you tell them this is what I am, okay, and this is what you need to accept. But don't give that false things that okay, यार मैं ऐसा भी करूँगा, यार तू बोलेगी तो मैं मम्मी डैडी से बात भी नहीं करूँगा, and whatever shits we listen. So be very transparent, very important, and always think from a very long-term perspective, very important. Aro is back. Aro, where are the rings? Okay. She didn't found them.
Earrings पहन के आ गए आरोही आप. You need to unmute yourself, Arohi. Yeah.
Yes.
हाँ, earrings पहनने गए थे आप.
Yes.
Okay. So I was just asking Nikhil about a question that what do you think that all couples need to discuss before getting married? Like आपका 6 years का courtship था, in which there were a lot of meetings, interactions, knowing each other. So like Nikhil also rightly said that when a couple is getting married or are in relationship, it is not only the boy and the girl, it is the entire family if you are planning to get married. Okay. So what do you think the couples should know or discuss before marriage?
Shobha, what I feel is, marriage, obviously, जो निखिल ने बोला वो तो points हैं ही. साथ में you should, I also made one thing very clear to Nikhil that, what I want out of my professional life. One thing that should be discussed, and plus parenting. We should talk about parenting also. How your parenting style is, my parenting style is, because it is important. If you want to have a family, that becomes very important to discuss. So
also planning for the kids, like abhi karna hai, 5 saal baad karna hai, and all that. These are the important topics. This reminds me of a book by Twinkle Khanna. I think if I'm not wrong, it's called The Funny Bones.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. But before she got married to Akshay Kumar, she had made a big list of her do's and don'ts. You know, before she actually got into marrying of Akshay Kumar, and she has actually mentioned her experiences in that book. It's a very important book, I suggest, for all the couples who are planning to get married or even now who are married, because it is not only the families, it is very important to understand each other family's health history. That is the main focus of her book also, and it is a very important book. I think the couples must read. So you know, these are things very important, because clarification hona chahiye before you get married. Nahi to fir pata chalta hai husband is east and wife is west, or north and south. You know, they don't go in the same direction because they don't match with the thought processes, and the mindset is very different from each other.
Yes. Yeah.
All right, so thank you so much for sharing these thoughts, and over to Anand.
So एक बहुत ही बढ़िया दिमाग में आ रहा है और गाना चल रहा है मेरे दिमाग, पता कौन सा? अमिताभ बच्चन वाला, जिसकी बीवी मोटी उसका भी बड़ा काम. You know, and if we look at the 5 qualities that could be there in both of you, जिसका husband dash dash उसका भी बड़ा नाम है, तो क्या कहेंगी आप आरोही? क्या qualities हैं आपके husband में that you really look at and say, oh wow, क्या husband ऐसा, क्या ऐसी qualities हैं उसमें?
You know what? ये जो छोटे छोटे झगड़े होते हैं हमें, he is the one who comes first and says sorry or whatever.
Oh, wow.
You know, he makes up, and he's very kind. Generally, he wants to help people, as many people as he can. So that's the best thing I like in him, that he comes to me. He, you know, he makes up after the fights. He's the first one to come. Even I don't go and, you know, say sorry or whatever, you know, just to resolve fights. So that's the best thing in him. And I feel he is very, disciplined in himself, you know.
मतलब
Time management hai, sab hai. Those are the qualities which I don't have. So I just, you know, look up to him that, you know, I should have these.
Wow, wow. पर कई लोगों को ना आरोही वही discipline खटक सकता है. How do you keep that balance? Because I know of another couple who said, यार मेरा मियाँ तो सुबह 7 बजे मुझे उठा देता है and I would like to sleep till 10 o'clock. So does he do that with you, or is he only disciplined with himself?
No, he is disciplined with himself, and I have made myself very clear that, look, on Sundays, you can't expect me to, you know, get up 7 in the morning. So I'm not going to do that. So these I was knowing, that where to stop him. So luckily he is he is a very understanding husband. So thank you again to him, you know.
निखिल, बड़ी तारीफ हो रही है आपकी.
निखिल चुप गया. ये क्या हो रहा है यार? कभी निखिल नहीं है, कभी आरोही नहीं है. It's like छुपन छुपाई. Nikhil.
Maybe he wants some more तारीफ from Arohi, and then he's going to come.
I know. लगे रहो आरोही, तारीफ करते रहो ताकि निखिल जल्द से जल्द आ जाए.
Every time you say na, he says sorry, and then probably now it's your turn. So probably go ahead, say sorry and get him back.
Nikhil, come on, Nikhil, where are you? I'm saying sorry. ये note कर लो, ये live जा रहा है, please आ जाओ वापस. ये बार-बार नहीं होता है, you know. You also know that.
Once a lifetime.
Yeah.
Yes. चलो. इंटरनेट ने कहा हो गया, हम इसको उठा.
I don't know.
ये गाना ही सुना दो तब तक.
क्या? Okay. Let me try. Okay. जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हम नवाब, वफादारी की कसमें निभाएंगे हम तुम अगर सॉरी छोड़ना मेरा साथ, जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा. I wasn't
देखो,
prepared. I'm so sorry about that.
ये गाने के साथ ही निखिल is back with a bang.
Oh,
The
I
entry.
don't know what happened with my internet. Sorry, guys.
कोई बात
Absolutely sorry.
निखिल,
No worries.
अच्छा यूटिलाइज किया है टाइम. अब आप बता दें, हमने आपको गाना सुनाया था ना, जिसकी बीवी डैश डैश उसका भी बड़ा नाम है. चलिए, आप 5 क्वालिटीज बता दें फटाफट से आरोही की, जिसकी वजह से यू रियली आप कहते हो आई लव यू, आई लव यू, आई लव यू आरोही. चलिए.
Okay, I certainly love you, Arohi, for these wonderful qualities you have. One, she's being very patient. She has a lot of patience. That is one quality which I really admire. She not only cares for me, but for my family members as well. A caring wife, and also most importantly, one of the best moms I could see. I mean, I have dealt with. I mean, wonderful the way she loves her daughter and the way she is actually bringing her up. I mean, that's really, really. Really, I admire her for that. And lastly, she is very open. I mean, she never keeps anything to herself. She's always open and shares everything what and listens to me carefully and listens to me whenever I have to share any of my issues or any of things which I have to share with her.
Wow. Effective listening is one of the most important components of any communication. Over to Guinea.
Good. That was very interesting. Okay, now Nikhil, I would like to ask from your point of view and advice. What are the marriage regrets which people have, and what do you think about it? What do you advise them to the couples around?
So first of all, as I already said, most of the couples, most of the marriages fail because they don't have an open communication. They always feel अगर मैं ये ऐसा बोलूंगा तो मेरी बीवी बुरा मान जाएगी, and vice versa. But I think so if you have that open communication, that will resolve most of your problems. Even I am learning that. Sometimes I also feel that अगर मैं ये आरोही के साथ share करूँ तो शायद उसको बुरा लग जाएगा, शायद उसको tension आ जाएगा and all those stuff. But if you have that open communication, trust me, everything will be resolved. There will be no issue in your relationship. So I'm trying that, and I hope that will help us in the near future.
And I hope that will help a lot of people who are the viewers who are watching us. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. एक फटाफट से लव 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 बोलते जा रहे हैं और फिर हमने रिग्रेट के बारे में बात करी. So this is like two sides of the same coin. Not really love is not the opposite of regret, but जहाँ प्यार होता है वहाँ hurt भी होती है, जहाँ hurt है वहाँ प्यार भी है. चलिए, आप 3 lessons love के बता दीजिए to our couples. What should be the 3 things that they should do to keep their love intact? Over to Nikhil first.
3 चीजें to keep their love intact is, I would say, okay, don't treat your marriage, even if it's 12 years, 13 years, whatever, treat it as if you have got married just few months back. Okay, treat it as if it's your new married life. Secondly, always behave like a friend, which is very, very important. Whenever you go out for socializing and stuff, you should not be like that typical husband wife. You should be like the way you socialize with your friends. These are a couple of things I feel that is very important in the relationship, which everyone should follow.
Wow. And Arohi, आपको क्या लगता है? What are the 3 very important components or 3 important things or love lessons that you can give to the audience?
so I feel respect should be first priority. Respect your spouse, then trust your spouse, because without trust and without respect, the third thing which I'm going to say is not possible. The communication that I always stress on. So these things I think are 3 major things: respect, communication, and trust.
Wonderful. So can you elaborate a little bit on that? कि trust का क्या मतलब? बहुत heavy words है ना, हम लोग बोलते हैं.
Trust मतलब तुम you should know that, you know, hello.
Yeah, we can hear you.
सुनाई दे रहा है. I think there's a network issue again.
Yeah. चलिए
Nikhil,
हाँ, can you hear Arohi?
Arohi can't hear, I guess.
Okay.
Nikhil, can you hear
No,
us?
what is wrong with the internet, guys? Sorry for that, but it's
Not
not
at
enough.
all.
I guess it's the weather today, which
Yeah.
is also causing.
No worries.
फजूल की बातें मत करो, जाओ जाके प्यार मोहब्बत घर में करो.
Exactly. वही सब चाहते हैं, वही हम भी कर रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल. निखिल, तू
नहीं.
बता दे अपनी बीवी की तरफ से ये तुझे ट्रस्ट कैसे करती है. चलिए एक एग्जांपल दे दें जहां हमें पता है कि शी डेफिनेटली ट्रस्ट्स यू.
मैं उससे कुछ छुपाने की ज्यादा कोशिश करता ही नहीं हूँ, वो मैं पंगे में जाता ही नहीं हूँ, तो दैट इज आई मीन दैट इज द रीजन शी ट्रस्ट मी, बिकॉज मैं जो भी करता हूँ उसको बोल के कर देता हूँ, तो वो ट्रस्ट और अनट्रस्ट का फैक्टर कभी आता ही नहीं है. सो दैट इज व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग एवरीबॉडी, ओपन कम्युनिकेशन, इफ ओपन कम्युनिकेशन इज देयर, वो ट्रस्ट और ट्रस्ट नहीं करने का कभी रीजन ही नहीं आता है. यू डोंट गेट अ चांस बेसिकली.
वंडरफुल. आरोही, आप आ गए हैं
Hey, hi, I'm back. मुझे नाम, am I audible to you guys?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
All right. So I was telling you about trust, right? So trust में दो चीजें आ जाती है कि अगर आप कुछ बोल रहे हो, जैसे what happens is जब social
Again, she's gone with the network. Nikhil, can you hear?
Yeah, I am there.
Acha, Nikhil, I would like to ask you a question.
social
Okay, I think she's back.
I think so. My daughter is getting into that and solving her network issue. She is her whole and
Sure.
soul to get us out of this. Let me see.
Okay.
Now,
तब तक निखिल आप बताइए. When you-
I don't understand क्या हो रहा है. I'm really sorry for that, guys.
No worries.
you can go on
technical
mute.
issues.
You can just resolve that and come back. I'm always there to support you. I'm always there to help you whenever you get stuck somewhere. So I'm there to answer the question.
of how
Yeah.
husband and wife really connect with each other, and they're not mad. They are just looking at each other and saying, "Sorry, darling, everything is in control." Yes, Nikhil. Shabba.
Absolutely.
So Nikhil, tell me, when you proposed to Arohi, वो तो propose कर दिया थिएटर में, हाँ हो गई, सब हो गया, फिर सास ससुर को कैसे पटाया? What was your interaction the first time you visited their house with your father-in-law, mother-in-law, and how did it all go about?
So आरोही को पटाना मुश्किल नहीं था, but उसके मम्मी डैडी को पटाना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन था.
Oh, I see.
We relate with some dialogues of Shah Rukh Khan for this. But yes, it was very difficult. I mean, there was a situation where my mom dad didn't have any issue, but they said, okay, we are okay. But if her mom dad don't come to us, we are not going to give you that yes from our end. So we were stuck somewhere like this, and her mom and dad, especially her dad, was little conservative, saying that okay, yaar nahi. He has to be a proper job करने वाला चाहिए, business कर रहा है, I don't know उसका business कैसे चलेगा, and all those typical things what है ना, sometimes you have. It was difficult, but at the end of the day, I managed to convince them. And today, let me tell you, I am very close to my father-in-law. I mean, he shares a lot of things with me, and even I do the same. So yeah, things have changed. थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, but आखिर मान ही जाता
तो
है.
पहली बार जब आप आपके फादर इन लॉ से इंटरेक्ट हुए आमने सामने, ओके, वो इंसिडेंट क्या आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे?
Oh God, we had gone for a movie और movie चल रहा था, अचानक there was bomb blast happened outside, we were not knowing, और दो चार कपल्स ऐसे निकल के जा रहे थे, और हम लोग एक दूसरे को बोल रहे थे, देखो इनको ना घर पे बराबर ठीक से झूठ बोलना भी नहीं आता है, देखो अभी फंस गए ना, और अभी एक एक करके निकल रहे. तो and we were laughing, we were enjoying. Movie खत्म हो गया, then we were out and पूरा सन्नाटा था, everybody was panicking saying that okay bomb blast हो गए हैं. So I then decided okay Arohi, I will थोड़ा सा मैं हिम्मत कर लेता हूँ और आपके घर पे आके आपको छोड़ के जाता हूँ. At that time her mom was still little bit convinced, but dad was absolutely no. And I happened to leave her at her house, and then when I was going out of her house, वही सामने उसके डैड आ गए, और सिचुएशन ऐसा था कि मैं बाहर जा रहा हूँ उसके घर से और वो अंदर आ रहे हैं, और दोनों एक दूसरे को देख रहे हैं, दोनों को पता नहीं चल रहा है कि क्या रिएक्शन दे, बट दोनों ने बहुत एकदम इजी रिएक्शन दिया. दोनों ने एक दूसरे की मुंडी नीचे की, वो इधर से खिसक लिए, मैं इधर से खिसक लिया.
So the frozen moment.
उसके बाद जो होना था वो तो म्यूजिक आरोही ने फेस किया है, but I think that was the time, or that was the situation which actually helped us to talk about our relationship openly with her dad, and she was able to convince her dad.
And what was that first question as a parent of Parohi's dad? I'm asking, what was that first question that he asked you before he actually said yes to this relationship?
The first question was कमा लेते हो कि नहीं?
अच्छा, कितना कमाते हो?
नहीं, वो तो बाद में, वो सेकंड क्वेश्चन था. पहले था कि कमा लेते हो कि नहीं. उसके बाद सेकंड क्वेश्चन है कि कितना कमा लेते हो.
So
Okay.
No, I mean, the first thing what he said is that, I mean, he generally doesn't believe in love marriage at that time, at least. And he said that, okay, I know that you guys are carrying on, but I hope you know that what are you going into. I'm not going to tell no to this marriage, but hope you'll keep my daughter happy. That was the general question. I mean, there was no specific question as such.
So that was an understanding father-in-law.
Yeah, absolutely. I could say yes. No.
Nikhil, if you could go back and change one thing about your wedding day, yeah, remember, what would it be?
The Muhurat timing.
अच्छा,
That I would love to change because शादी खत्म होते होते बहुत लेट हो गया था. और
हाँ,
मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने one night का they had given me a gift at Grand Hyatt and I reached there we reached there very late and friends तो पता है कितने कमीने होते हैं. उधर पहुंचने के बाद भी उन्होंने बहुत टाइम लिया to let us go in that beautiful wedding room which they gifted us. So that date, the timing of that wedding, I would definitely love to change. थोड़ा जल्दी खत्म होता था marriage, so we could have spent some more quality time rather than
कहाँ,
putting those time on that stage, just laughing and saying, okay, thank you for attending the marriage and stuff like that. I still feel, I mean, what a
तो
funny mistake.
हनीमून स्वीट में टाइम कम मिला आपको,
कम मिला, absolutely कम मिला.
है ना? Okay, Arohi, क्या आप what was that one change that you would like to change about your wedding day, and what would it be?
You know, when I look back, there were some relatives, very annoying relatives. I wish I wouldn't have invited them.
Invited them.
Then they were like, when I see my photo albums and videos, you know, of the marriage, I feel ये थोड़ा change होना चाहिए था. You know, when you see these new sort of way of clicking pictures and all that, that was missing in my wedding. So I would, you know, want to change
लेकिन
that.
तभी टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी एडवांस
Exactly.
नहीं थी ना,
But
Arohi.
I just wish that I could change that.
I know. Thank you so much, and over to Anu.
Yeah.
So, you know, कैसे होता है कई बार कि शादी जब होने वाली होती है या उससे पहले we have eyes only for each other. मतलब हमारी आंखें कहीं और जाती ही नहीं है. और थोड़े सालों के बाद ऐसे होता है कि कभी-कभी आप ऐसे बैठे-बैठे देख रहे हो और सामने कोई दिखाई दे जाता है and you look at that person and say अरे wow man so handsome और यार ये she's so pretty. और ऐसे तो जरूर कभी ना कभी हुआ होगा. आफ्टर ऑल 12 साल हो 18 आप एक दूसरे को थोड़ी ना देख रहे हैं.
अनु, I can say that निखिल के साथ तो जरूर हुआ है, for sure.
निखिल ने देखा है कि निखिल को किसी ने देखा है? तू
दोनों
बोलना क्या चाहती है शोभा?
दोनों
जब आपको आरोही ने पकड़ा था
तो आरोही ने जब भी मुझे पकड़ा था,
तो क्या
आरोही ने वैसे मुझे बहुत बार पकड़ा है. इसके बाद तो मैंने ही बोल दिया आरोही को, आरोही ये कैसी लग रही है, बहुत अच्छी लग रही है. That the situation only I changed it. कि अभी बहुत बार चोरी मेरी पकड़ी जाने लगी है. So I said, okay आरोही, before you call me the chore, this is what I am doing. She's so beautiful, she's so hot, and I used to share that with her, and this is how the situation changed actually for me.
और आरोही ने इसके बाद क्या जवाब दिया? आरोही
यही मैं खुद ही उसको दिखाने के लिए, निखिल राइट, निखिल 2 o'clock, निखिल 3 o'clock. अब तो मैं ही बता देती हूँ उसको कि देख लो भाई. Because any which ways तुम देख ही रहे हो, तो अब मैं ही दिखा देती हूँ ना.
हाँ ये भी बात
फिर
है.
कितना अंडरस्टैंडिंग कपल है ये.
अरे माय गॉड, गिल्ट थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा ना तुम्हारा.
इससे ज्यादा क्या हो ना, थोड़ी मेहनत कम हो जाएगी. अनु क्या होता है ना, आरोही मेरे सामने बैठी और उसके पीछे कोई अच्छी लड़की बैठी, तो मुझे दोनों को देखना पड़ता है कि मैं उसको देख रहा हूँ, आरोही मुझे देख रही कि नहीं. तो जब आरोही को मैंने बता दिया तो माय कंसंट्रेशन विल बी ओनली ऑन वन. नो,
मुझे पता है निखिल तू जाके किस करता है एंड ये
नहीं बहुत
रोहित,
इतनी लंबी होती है, आरोही नोज दैट कि वो पीछे पहुंच ही जाती है, लंबी लंबी।
और
ट्रू ट्रू।
जब
आरोही बोल रही है निखिल को, निखिल आप नेत्र सुख जितना लेना चाहते हो ले लो, लेकिन
ओनली नेत्र सुख।
ओनली नेत्र सुख तक ही सीमित रखना।
नेत्र सुख तक ही सीमित रखना, नहीं तो मैं आपका सुख छीन लूंगी।
बचा कुचा सुख छीन लूंगी ना।
बिल्कुल,
बिल्कुल।
अगर आपने भी तो कभी ना कभी तो ऐसे हुआ होगा कि यू नो डोले शोले वाला हैंडसम सामने से निकल के गया और तेरी आईसाइट साथ साथ में ऐसे ऐसे,
हाय।
तो फिर निखिल ने क्या किया?
निखिल ने अपना डायरेक्शन बदल लिया। निखिल बोलता है यहाँ देखो प्लीज, कम टू मी बेबी, कम टू मी।
निखिल ने क्या किया, निखिल ने तभी से जिम के जाना चालू कर दिया, तो और किसी के
नहीं,
डोले
नहीं।
शोले देखने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती।
6 पैक्स बनाना शुरू कर दिया, बोले जो देखना है इधर देखो।
दैट्स कमिंग सून।
अच्छा, ओके।
कभी ना कभी तो आ जाएंगे।
निखिल हर एक दोस्त कमीना होता है ना?
Absolutely.
चलिए, ओवर टू गिनी।
ओके नाउ अभी तो ये हमने बहुत सुन लिया, यू नो, एक दूसरे के अभी प्रेजेंट। नाउ वी गो बैक 12 years and 6 years, 18 years, पीछे चलते हैं थोड़ा सा। What was your first impression about your partner? Like both of you, when you saw each other for the first time, the first look. Nikhil, first you.
First look was, to be very frank, मुझे जो look लगा वो she looked like a tomboy, okay, not exactly tomboy, but वो बोलते हैं ना अपनी बंदी है, ऐसा वाला फील आया कि यार ये इसके साथ अगर जिंदगी बितानी मिल जाए ना तो यार मजा आ जाए।
Oh,
तो वो टिपिकल वैसे अपनी बंदी
that
वाला
was the
फीलिंग।
first impression you actually decided?
Absolutely, yes. I still remember the place also where I first spoke to her.
Wow,
पहली
that's
नजर, पहली
good.
नजर।
Love at first sight.
Yes,
Okay.
love at first sight.
आरोही, आपको क्या लगा?
ऑनेस्टली मुझे एकदम फ्लर्टू लगा था ये।
फ्लर्टू
Oh
लगा
my.
था, मतलब अभी सुधर गया।
Yes,
you're saying?
you are
Wow, I'm
asking
very happy.
you are asking a first impression, right? ये तो फ्लर्टू बंदा है।
Yes.
इससे क्या, ये तो मतलब this is like good, I'll have a fun time with him, ऐसा लगा था। I was not very sure that this is the guy, but I'm really happy, thankful to God that he's mine now.
Wow, I love the way she says he's mine now.
That's so sweet.
आरोही,
Thank
before the
you.
marriage जब आपको ये फ्लर्टू लगा था तब के कुछ एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर करना चाहोगी आप?
I was not very sure that I'll go ahead with him. I said I'll just spend some time, fun time, and आगे देखी जाएगी क्या होगा। तो वो टाइम बहुत अच्छा था, but seriously, I fell in love with him, not knowing what it will be like.
I'm sure. All right. So Nikhil, what do you wish you knew before marriage? Like what do you wish you knew about marriage before you got married? मतलब ऐसी कोई चीज या ऐसी कोई इंसिडेंट जो आपको अभी ध्यान आ रहा है कि काश मैंने वो तब समझा होता, while you got married or before you got married, something, some incident, some experience.
I mean, one word I would really relate to this question is that marriage comes with responsibility, too much of responsibility, and you have to change your priorities. ये अगर पहले पता होता तो थोड़ा सोच लेते थे मैरिज शादी
लेकिन
करना है।
ये तो दिल्ली इसके क्या के लड्डू हैं अनु?
खाओ
कौन से
तो भी
लड्डू हैं जो
पछताओ, नहीं
खाओ
खाओ
तो
तो भी
भी
पछताओ।
शादी के लड्डू।
शादी के लड्डू हैं, तो खाओ तो भी पछताओ और ना
लड्डू।
खाओ तो भी पछताओ। सही है।
भी याद है
तो
नहीं,
शादी हो रही थी, वहां पे ऐसे लड्डू फेंक रहे थे ऐसे। वो होता है किसी किसी शादी में ऐसे लड्डू फेंकते हैं और हम सब लोग पीछे खड़े होके ना ऐसे खड़े थे, क्यों फेंक रहे हो? तो आप सोच लो, दिस इज ऑलवेज देयर, मतलब लिटरली। कभी ऐसा निखिल कि शादी के आए, शादी के बाद नहीं पछताए? अगर शादी नहीं होती तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, अगर शादी है तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, शादी नहीं होती तो क्या होता?
नहीं, शादी नहीं होती तो क्या होता, ये तो मैंने सोचा नहीं, बट आई थिंक सो व्हाटएवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी व्हाट आई हैव गॉट, I think so. I'm loving it. This is a part of marriage, and I'm loving it. So, हाँ, but पहले नहीं पता था कि इतनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आने वाली है. नहीं तो यार थोड़ा सा, पर कितने दिन तक खींच सकते थे? बोलते हैं ना, शादी का लड्डू कितने दिन तक नहीं खाओगे? 1 साल 2 साल रुकते थे, बट खाना तो पड़ता ही था.
तो अभी मीठा लड्डू खा लिया आपने.
मीठा लड्डू, हाँ मीठा था, बराबर. हाँ, मीठा लड्डू था.
पक्का ना, मीठा है ना?
हाँ, मीठा ही है.
अब मैं सुन रही हूँ तो हाँ ही
सोच
बोलेगा
लो
ना.
और थोड़ा.
चलिए निखिल, एक सीरियस सवाल पूछती हूँ आपसे. आपने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी की बात करी, तो आफ्टर you get married, you plan out children, you have children. So ऐसा आपने and you sit down and say that they need to become into very important people in life. Not important per se कि उनको minister बनना है, but they need to be good people in life. Now, what are the qualities that you think you both are giving them further to be those beautiful human beings? And how do you go about doing it? So Arohi, this is for you first, and then we come to Nikhil.
So as I told you, kindness होना चाहिए. In today's life we can understand, मतलब आजकल जो situation चल रहा है, you should be kind. So वो kindness मुझे लगता है कि मुझे निखिल में जितनी है उतनी मेरी daughter में भी आनी चाहिए. One very important thing that I wish Sara should have, and उसका time management जो है निखिल का, it should be she should imbibe that also. Very important. And his discipline, his health consciousness, his passion in life, which is cricket. You must have a passion in your life. It makes a very positive impact in your life, which I wish that Sara will imbibe.
Absolutely. And what about you, Nikhil? What would you say?
For me, Arohi's quality, which I feel, or both of our qualities, which I feel Sara should take it ahead, is definitely be very caring about your loved ones, your family members. Always respect your family members, your friends. Love them. Do the best of them. What you can do for them. Don't expect much from your loved ones because that's okay. Sometimes they take you for granted, which is absolutely fine. Always be grounded, very very important. That is what I have learned from my parents. Always be grounded, and yes, always be don't raise your voice unnecessary. Okay, try to be cool. That is what is one quality which I am learning, but that is one quality which I always want Sara to take it from her mom.
So kal agar Nikhil, let's go further about 10 or 15 years again. ठीक है, सारा खड़ी है और बिल्कुल वैसे जैसे आरोही के घर में हुआ था. मतलब सारा किसी के साथ हाथ में हाथ पकड़े, स्माइल करते हुए, देखते हुए ऊपर चढ़ रही है. मतलब तेरे घर आ रही है अपने, और तू वहां बिल्कुल नहीं पता है. And you look at her, and वही exchange of the eyesight हो रही है. मतलब तू उस लड़के की तरफ देख रहा है, वो तेरी तरफ देख रहा है, और वो मुड़ जाता है. तुझे कैसा लगेगा?
नहीं, कैसा नहीं लगेगा. मैं भी वही करूंगा जो आरोही के डैडी ने किया था. मुंडी नीचे करके खिसक जाऊंगा, और तभी तो कुछ नहीं कर पाऊंगा. वही करना पड़ेगा. बाद में डेफिनेटली the things have changed. I mean, I will be little more what do you say, friendly with her and ask her कि क्या चल रहा है, कोई है, मुझे बताना चाहती हो तो बताओ.
Nikhil, you will not say hi, hello to that guy. Okay, 12 साल पहले things were different. तो मुंडी नीचे करके चले.
हाँ, नहीं, I would definitely say hi. I mean, it depends upon how she reacts. I mean, if she comes in front of me and she says, okay, dad, he's so and so my friend, or whatever, I will definitely talk to that person. It's not that. हाँ, but अगर वो भी थोड़ा सा अलग वे में निकल गई, खिसक गई, तो मैं भी खिसक ही जाऊंगा. Because I don't want her to be cautious enough कि अरे यार कॉन्शियस नहीं होनी चाहिए कि अरे ये क्या हो गया. Rather, I would, when she comes back, I would definitely sit back and talk to her in a very friendly way.
चलिए आरोही, ये आपके लिए है. आपकी मम्मी डस्टिंग करती हैं जैसे आपके लिए करी थी और वो कार्ड मिला था. अब आप
Yes.
आप दिवाली की सफाई कर रही हैं और आपकी सारा के बेड के नीचे, आपकी सारा के बेड के नीचे
My God.
कार्ड पड़ा हुआ है और उसके ऊपर लिखा हुआ है आई लव यू बड़ा बड़ा, तो आप क्या करेंगी?
Instantly उसको पूछूंगी, प्लीज फिक्स कराओ मीटिंग, बंदा कौन है, आई वुड लव टू नो हिम, आई वुड रियली लव टू नो हिम, एंड आई वुड लव टू नो कि तुम्हारी सीरियसनेस कितनी है, यू नो, उस बंदे के लिए, विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज बच्चे दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इट इज, मतलब दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि सीरियसनेस कितनी है, तो हमें थोड़ा सा जज करने का मौका मिलता है. आई कैन गाइड फ्रॉम माई एक्सपीरियंस. थोड़ा सा मैं एक्साइटेड रहूंगी, थोड़ा सा मैं बहुत
टेंस भी रहूंगी.
yes tense भी रहूंगी, but more than anything I would love to know who the man is, so
Thank you so much, because that's so important, not only to be a good couple, but also to be a good parent. Because, you know, when you are just connected with each other to hold the family together, these are very vital qualities that are required in a couple. Over to Shobhaji.
Thank you. So Nikhil and Arohi, in every episode, a couple with a happy and loving and strong relationship of marriage will invite another couple to join them on our moderated talk show. And we cover the challenging and fun topics as you have witnessed it today. So who is the couple in your list who would you would like to invite? And I want Nikhil and Arohi अपने अंदाज में उनको अभी आप इनवाइट करें.
Nikhil, over to you.
First, let me take his name. I mean, Shobha, you know him. He was the first one to actually acknowledge your post on FB. He's none other than the lovely couple is Mr. Suresh Menon and Geeta Menon. Because I mean, every session or every initiative like this requires change, right? So from a young couple, let's go to a little older couple. Suresh is going to kill me for this, okay? No, he's not old at all.
He is still young, okay, Nikhil? He is still young.
I'm coming
young
to that.
Old.
Yeah, I'm trying to rectify my statement.
So you can call him young old.
Yeah, he might be old by age, but let me tell you, one of the most romantic couples I've ever seen.
Happening couple.
For him, only one song comes to my mind. Or for that couple is "Ye Chand ka Roshan Chehra, Ulfo ka Rang Sunehra, Ye Neel Neeli Aankhein, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा, तारीफ करूं क्या उनकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया. So I think so. You know why we use the word Chand. Don't take me otherwise, Shobha. It was just Chand ka Roshan Chehra, okay?
Yeah, but I hope Suresh is listening live.
100% he must be listening.
I'm sure. Otherwise, make sure that he listens to what you said just.
Absolutely.
Arohi, how would you like to invite him? Which song comes to your mind with Suresh Menon?
I don't know. आप यहाँ आए किस लिए? आए हो तो काम भी बताइए. That song, I guess.
हमने बुलाया इसलिए.
सही है. Fantastic. So next week, as per Nikhil's referral, तो थोड़ा BNI की पॉलिसीज अडॉप्ट करते हैं, इधर रेफरल्स लेते हैं, है ना? तो अभी आपने सुरेश मेनन को रेफर किया, नेक्स्ट वीक सुरेश मेनन जी किसी और को रेफर करेंगे, तो थोड़ा सा BNI का टच दे देते हैं उधर, है ना? हमारे हंगामा में. थैंक यू सो मच एंड ओवर टू गिनी.
So now we know everything about your courtship, your romance, your shadi. So it was a beautiful journey, I must say, and we know that you both sing very well. So Nikhil and Arohi, ek dude gana ho jaye before we end the show.
Okay, so Arohi, are you ready?
All right.
1, 2, 3, go. वो पहली बार
जब हम
मिले हाथों में हाथ
जब हम चले
हो गया ये दिल
दीवाना. होता है प्यार क्या
हमने जाना.
Wow. Wow,
Wonderful.
Superb.
amazing. Very,
Wonderful.
very nice. एक बार फिर से यार, मतलब दिल नहीं भरा. चलिए
हाँ.
आप पहले गा दें निखिल, फिर आप गा दें आरोही. That I think will go much easier. But
Yeah.
I will give the song and they have to sing.
Oh, okay. Which
Difficult.
song?
आंखों ही आंखों में इशारा हो गया. Continue.
आँखों
Okay.
बैठे
I will
ही
बैठे
sing
आँखों
first for you,
में
Arohi.
Sorry.
Okay, go ahead. Always behind you. You never listen to me. That's fine. Okay, go ahead.
आँखों ही आँखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठे बैठे जीने का सहारा हो गया. आँखों ही आँखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठे बैठे जीने का सहारा हो गया. थैंक यू. That's it. इतना ही आता है. शोभा जी.
No problem. निखिल, आपको गाना है यही गाना.
यही गाना. Okay. आंखों ही आंखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठे बैठे जीने का सहारा हो गया. आंखों ही आंखों में. That's it.
wow. शोभा कितनी
अनु,
हमने.
फ्रीक्वेंसी देखा निखिल का.
अरे
Sound
मैं
is a
कितने दिन से
frequency,
रियाज कर रहा हूँ
निखिल.
शोभा तेरे शो में आने के लिए.
ये रियाज आगे चल के बहुत काम आएगा निखिल.
हाँ 100%. 12 साल तो आ गए, अभी और 12 साल आना चाहिए मिनिमम.
बिल्कुल उससे ज्यादा आएगा यार. Absolutely no issues.
So thank you everybody. That was a beautiful.
Thank you so much, Nikhil.
Thank you, Nikhil and Arohi.
Thank
Hope
you
to
so
see
much.
you.
Anu.
Thank you for having
so much,
us.
Thank
Vinny.
you.
Thank you so much, Shobha.
Thank you so
for
much
the
for
Thank
having
you.
us,
wonderful
dear.
time we had.
Love you. Stay blessed.
Thank you
Stay
guys.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Love you all.
Stay safe.
Thank you.
Thank
Stay
you.
safe. Bye
Thank you
bye.
guys. Bye. Bye.
You.
Bye.